This video is going to show you how to connect the Jupyter Hub being used in the ISAT to Hack Week with GitHub. Now, the GitHub repository that they've given us to sort of check and to test, it's a private GitHub repository. And in order to clone a private GitHub repository, even if we are on this organization, we need to give Git a password, our username and password. If we were trying to clone a public repository, that would be fine, but this is private, so we're going to have to give it authentication. So that means that we need to set up a token. GitHub doesn't work by you giving it your real password when you're connecting to an outside application. For example, a Jupyter Hub, it's going to work by these tokens. So I'm going to show you how to generate the token. Now, if you forget, just Google GitHub token and you'll find it. I forget all the time, even though I do it like once a month. So you're going to go onto your GitHub account, and then you're going to click over here on your profile, and then go down to settings. And you scroll all the way down to developer settings. It's kind of amazing they hide this so much, given how much you have to do it. You're going to click personal access tokens. So right there. And then you're going to say generate a new token. Now, you don't have to generate a new token for every application. You can save the token somewhere and use it over and over again. But since I assume you haven't done one of these, I'm going to show you how to make a new one. Okay, there we go. You don't have to put a note, but I'll put a note here. So this is for the ISAT 2 hackathon. Again, this isn't really specific to any particular use. You can use them for a bunch of different things. You just need to save your token. All right, so it's going to generate this token, and you will select the scope, so what this token can be used for. And this increases security because instead of giving your password, you could do anything with that. This one, you're limiting what this token can do. So in this case, all we need to do is click repo. All these other things, we don't need these things. Okay. You can also increase the security by picking the expiration. So this is for the hackathon, it's just for a week. So a 30-day token is fine. When it expires, you'll have to re-up it, but this is just for a 1-week hackathon, so that's fine. All right, and then you say generate the token, and then it's going to show you the token. Now, I have blacked out the actual token, but you'll be able to see your token there, and you want to copy that, and now you need to paste it somewhere so you don't lose it, because once you move from this page, it's going to go away. You're not going to be able to see it again or get it. Okay, so you need to make sure to copy it somewhere so you can use it. So that's it. So now we can go on to the Jupyter Hub here. This is the link for the one for the hackathon. And we can just set up a small one. Say start. Okay, so like I said, it can take a while. This one took about 3 minutes to start off. I cut the wait time out of the video. But once it starts up, it's going to look like this. Okay, so first thing that we want to do is clone this repository. And so the JupyterLab Git GUI is right here, this kind of thing here. So before I click that, I know it's going to ask me for the URL of the repository that we're going to clone. So let's go get that. So this is the one that they want us to use just to check our setup. So you can see there's not much in it. In fact, there's just a README. What we want to do is copy this URL right there. So I copy that, go back here, and then click this, and then click clone. And then you could do that, and just do that. So now it's asking for my username, which is EEHolmes. Okay, and it says here password, but fortunately it also gives us a hint that it also wants the personal access token. In fact, it won't take your password. So go back and copy that personal access token wherever you put it, and just put it in here. That's it. Okay. Okay, great. And so you see, it got it, and we didn't have to do anything else. And now if you go here, you'll see that we've got that README, which we can open up. All right, that's it.